I'm here with a student. We're going to run through the driving test at one of the Broward County location. And as usual, I cannot tell you what location it is, but I can actually show you what it looks like, so you can actually know where it is just based on the scenery. Alright, so the examiners are back in the car. I think I need to say that quickly. They're getting in the car, they're taking you through the test. They're doing the test as it were prior to COVID. So at this location, they take you on the road for seconds. Literally, you just go out on the road and you come back in, as you will see. It's just like less than a minute on the actual road. I keep getting a lot of questions about, are they taking you on the road? At this location, they do for a second. Alright, ma'am, they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
All the way to the left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Then you put the car in park, pull up the handbrake, and switch off the ignition.
Sweet, cool. Turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. So you press and release the brake. They are checking to make sure that the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working, the brake lights are working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. So check and make sure it's working before you show up to the DMV. Alright, so now they're going to ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So you put the car in reverse, and we're going to back out until the mirror is past the end of the parking lot lines. So look behind you just like you're doing and roll straight back. Just do it slowly, so when your mirror get to the end of the line, like about that, back up some more, just a little bit more, like that. Then you're gonna put the car back. You're gonna turn the car all the way to the right, actually, and look behind you as you reverse. Keep going back, like that's good right there. When your car is past, when the mirror is past the middle of this road, then that's a good place to stop. Put the car back in drive. Alright. And turn the wheel left. And we're gonna go straight down there, because the next thing they're gonna ask you to do, well, the first thing is gonna be the speed up to 20 and the sudden stop. It's called a quick stop. So just pull up over there and wait for this car. Press the gas gently. Don't go in the grass. Alright, so we're gonna stop about right here. Now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So 20 miles per hour, and then stop when I say stop. And stop. Okay, just like that. Alright, reverse, straight back. So you put the car in reverse and roll straight back. So if when you stop you are straight, then the car goes straight back. So look behind you and just let it roll straight back. Right, so if you keep the wheel straight and just roll back, it works perfectly. And then they'll tell you when to stop. So we're going to stop about here. Next maneuver is the 3-point turn. So signal left, turn the wheel all the way left until it stops. Right, go forward, put it in drive. Don't forget that. Yeah. Keep going. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Put the car in reverse. You don't have to switch the turn signal off. When you turn the wheel, it switches off by itself. So turn the wheel all the way right. And look over your left shoulder in reverse. So when the mirror is past this middle of this area, like about there, you're gonna stop up to this stop sign. This stop sign is literally leaning on a tree. Treat it like a regular stop sign, even though it's not in its proper place. Treat it just like a regular stop sign. So you're gonna come up, go up a little bit more. You're gonna stop right here. 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna make a right turn. Make sure you're signaling every single time, because if you don't signal, you will be losing 4 points for each one. And we definitely don't want to lose points, so you want to make sure you signal. Alright, so we're going to make a right turn as soon as we pass this big tree, and we're going to park in between the cones. So signal right, yep. And you're going to make sure you make the right turn and stay in your right lane. Closest to the right is better. So you stay close as possible without actually going on the grass. And you're going to pull up. And you're going to line up your mirror with the cone here. Remember now, my parking thing works 100%. Just line it up. Right there is good. Signal left. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. And then just roll into the space. As you get into the middle of the space, you will straighten up. Pull straight in. That's cool. Alright, reverse straight back. We're gonna go to the right. Look behind. Keep going back and stop about there. Put it back in drive. And as you notice, the stop sign is right here, so you got to make sure you stop at the stop sign. A lot of people fail their driving test by just running through the stop sign. So you turn all the way back to the right, get into the right lane, and then stop at the stop sign. Straighten the wheel all the way. Let it roll though. If it's rolling, it's easier to figure out. And then stop here, go straight across and around the corner, and then we're gonna do that little road thing that I'm talking about for a couple of seconds. So you're doing 5 to 10 miles per hour. Right here you don't even have space to do 10. So it's more like 5 miles per hour going around this little area. Stay close to your right side, because you have to leave room for another car coming in, you know what I mean? So do that. Close to the right side, we're going to make a right turn. So signal right, so go over just a little bit. So you come to a complete stop here, and you signal right, and you go ahead and make it right. Right turn all the way. And then you're going to see, you see there's a stop sign here. Straighten up, straighten the wheel. You see the stop sign over there, you're going to make sure you stop. If there's a car there, you stop only if there's a car, because there's no stop sign here. So you go ahead and make your right turn, and you're gonna go out here, and you see this line by the stop sign. You're gonna stop at the line and then creep out to where you can see down the street. So go up to the line, like about a little bit more, like about right here. You're gonna stop, and then you're gonna roll out into the road here where you can actually see. See, there's no cars coming. Well, this car is coming fast enough where you would have to stop for it. So you would stop here and wait for that car, and you would wait for all of those cars because they're coming pretty fast. So when it's completely clear here, you would just pull out. You don't want to pull out in the road with cars coming at you, because they will fail you. Alright, go ahead. Now, if you notice, there's a little some lines here. You got to go around the lines and back into the turning lane, right? Just like that. So you go to the turning lane, you go to the light here, you're making it right. And remember, like I said, it's only a couple of seconds. So you see, we came out, we're at the light now. Literally, as soon as you come out, you're at the light. The light is red, so you stop and you go ahead and make a right turn. Look to the left, make sure it's clear, and then make your right turn, just like that. Press the gas a little bit, stay in the right lane. and then we're gonna go back into the plaza. So that is it. The road that people are worrying about, oh, they're taking you on the road. That's literally it. Like I said, it's probably less than a minute. Go back in your lane.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to avoid.
That pothole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so make sure you signal in. Yep. Alright, straighten up here. And we're gonna make a right turn, so you make sure you stop at the stop sign. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your right turn again. Stay in the right lane. We're gonna go to the stop sign down here and make a right and park, and that will technically be the end of your test. So let's see. So when you come to the stop sign, you stop completely and look to the left, because there's a lot of traffic in this area in the mornings. So go up a little bit more and stop about here. Look to the left, make sure it's clear, and go ahead and pull out and make a right turn. And pull straight into the parking space ahead of us right there. Go up a little bit more. And stop. Okay, put it in park. Alright, so how you think you did?
Oh, I felt like I did really good.
You did. You did.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, you did everything correctly, so I would expect...